though, John. That's a lot of single-use plastic to clean one kitchen, don't you think? All those products you have there basically do the same thing, and when we're done with them, we just chuck them out. Sadly, most of those bottles aren't even recycled properly. John, you look like the kind of guy who wants to do his bit, am I right? Well, some things in life are meant to be reused, and some, John, are just not. Like chewing gum. That unique tattoo you got when you were 18?
Just same again, please, mate. But much larger. That's spot on, mate.
And certainly not your ex-girlfriend's house keys.
Lasagna?
Now, what about those things we are meant to reuse? Well, John, that's where Homethings comes in.
Well, go on.
Homethings have made sustainable household sprays that clean everything. They'll send you a reusable glass bottle and dissolvable tablets through the post. All you do is add water. So, no more cupboard clutter and no more single-use plastics. The world may be bonkers, but this makes a lot of sense. Make sense, John? Good work, John. Good work indeed.